Sail. This is how I show my love. I made it in my mind because I blame it on my ADD, baby. This is how an angel dies. I blame it on my own supply. So blame it on my ADD, baby. Sail. 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 Maybe I should cry for help. Or maybe I should kill myself. Blame it on my ADD, baby. Maybe I'm a different breed. Maybe I'm not listening. So blame it on my ADD, baby. Sail. 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 Faceless Freebie 2019. Shout out to the Kef Empire. Shout out to those that deal with ADD. I love you all. Take care of yourselves and each other. Help control the pet population. Have your pets spayed or neutered.